morning children. How you all are? Hope you are fine. Okay. In the previous class, we started exercise 4.4 and it is completed also. Now I am going to start exercise 4.5. It is about the properties of fractions. These are all about the properties of fractions. 5 by 8 into 2 by 7 equal to blank into 5 by 8. So, if you multiply any two numbers, if the order may changes, the value doesn't changes, yes na? So, the remainder left, that number which was left to multiply 2 by 7. See the second one, 4 by 6 into blank equal to 1 by 3 into 4 by 6. Here if you multiply 4 by 6 into one number, here you will get 1 by 3 or 4. Which was missing here? 1 by 3 was the missing number. See the third one, 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 into 3 by 4 equal to the derivative one number, and they given here 1 by 3 into 3 by 4. Which was missing here? If you observe, 1 by 2 was missing. So write that 1 by 2 in this blank. See the fourth one, Nana? 4 by 3 into 1. If you multiply any fractional number with 1, you will get same fractional number 4 by 3. See the fifth one, 1 by 5 into 0. If you multiply any fractional number with 0, you will get 0. Sixth one, 1 by 6 of blank into 3 by 4 equal to 1 by 6 into 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. Which was missing here? Which fraction was missing here from here to 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 3 by 4, 3 by 4 is the left one is 1 by 2 is the missing fraction here. Okay, this is associative property and it is multiplication with 0, 0. If you multiply any number with 1, you will get same fraction. Here also this, if you multiply the numbers, if the order will changes, the value doesn't changes. Okay, see the next one, exercise 4.6. It is the simplify. The topic is simplify. See the first one, 2 by 3 into 1 by 7 into 4 by 5. Children, if they given like that, first you have to check any common factor is common for those two. If not, means multiply the numerators and then denominators and write it down. Here no chance of cancellation with the numerator and denominator. That means there is no common factor in numerator and denominator both. Yes na? So 2 4 8 by 7 5 7 3 is 21 plus 5 105. See the second one, 2 by 3 into 9 by 2 into 3 by 5. Once check, is there any chance of cancellation here? 2 ones 2, again 2 ones 2, 3 ones 1, 3 ones 1. Here no chance of cancellation between 9 and 5. So write 9 by 5. 1 into 9, 9, 1 into 9. Here 1 into 1 into 5, 5, 9 by 5. See the third one, 3 by 4 into 5 by 7 into 7 by 5. Here, check the cancellation chances, Nana. Here 3, no common factor for 3, 5. 5 ones, 5 ones, 7 ones, 7 ones. Here 3 by 4 into 1 into 1, 3 by 4 only. See the fourth one, 6 by 7 into 14 by 25 into 5 by 8. Check the chance of cancellations. Is there any common factors in the numerator and denominator? Check once now. 6 with these numbers. Here empty is there. In 2 table these two may chances. 2 3s, 2 4s. Next 7 ones, 7 2s, 14. Like that 5 ones, 5 5s, 25. So numerator 3 into 2 by 5 into 4. Here 2 ones, 2 2s. 3 by 5 into here 3 ones 3, 3 ones 3, 4 2 ones 2, 2 fours 8. So 1 by 4 into 7, 1 by 28 is the answer. See the next one, children. Sixth one, 1 by 9 into 3 by 5 into 3 by 4. Here if you check 3 ones 3, 3 threes 9. Again 3 ones and 3 ones. So 1 by 5 into 4, 1 by 20. Seventh one, 11 2 by 3 into 3, 1 by 2 into 7, 2 by 7. You have to convert them into improper fractions first. 11 3 is 33 plus 2, 35 by 3. 3 ones, 3 2 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. 7 7 is 49 plus 2, 51 by 7. Check the chance of cancellations. 7 ones, 7 ones. 3 ones, remainder 2 3 7s 21, 17. So here if you check, you will get 35 into 17 by 2. Not there any chance of cancellation. 17 5s 85, 17 is 51 plus 3 59, 595 by 2. See the 8th one. 4 and half into 3, 3 by 5 into 1, 1 by 3. Okay, 4 and half means 9 by 2. 15 plus 3, 18 by 5. 3 ones 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. Check the chance of cancellations here. First 2 ones, 2 twos 4, 3 ones, 3 threes 9. If you write here 3 into 18 into 2 by 5. No more common factor for these. 108 by 5. Ninth one. 4 by 7 into 5, 2 by 3 into 7 by 17. 4 by 7 into 5 3 is 15 plus 2, 17 by 3 into 7 by 17. If you observe 7 7 get cancelled, 7 ones 7 ones. 17 1 17 1 get cancelled. There is no common factor for 4 and 3. 4 by 3 is the answer. See the 10th one, children. 3 2 by 7 into 1 1 by 23 into 2 1 by 12. So simply 7 3 is 21 plus 2, 23 by 7 into 23 plus 1, 24 by 23 into 25 by 12. 12 is 24 plus 1, 25 by 12. 23 ones, 23 ones, 12 ones, 12 twos. Here there is no chance of cancellation. 2 into 25 by 7. 50 by 7. See the 11th one. 4 and half. 5 1 by 4. 8 by 21. Okay. 4 and half. 9 by 2. 20 plus 1, 21 by 4 into 8 by 21. Here 21 ones, 21 ones get cancelled. 4 ones, 4 twos, 2 ones, 2 ones, 9 is the answer. Okay, see the next one, 12th one, children. Three 3 by 4 into 1, 2 by 5 into 1, 1 by 7. 4 threes First convert them into improper. 4 3 is 12, 12 plus 3, 15 by 4. 1 5 is 5, 5 plus 2, 7 by 5. 7 1 7 7 plus 1 8 by 7. After that you have to cancel any common factor. 7 1 7 7 1 7. 4 1s 4 2s 8. 5 1s 1, 5 3s 15. So what left? 3 into 2 in the numerator and denominator 1 into 1 into 1, 1 only. 3 2 6 is the answer. Okay children, now the exercise 4.6 completed. In the next class we will meet you again. Till then, goodbye.